Let's start with a very important topic in Principle of Programming Language, namely sequence control and its types with arithmetic and non-arithmetic expressions. To understand this topic, we need to look at sequence control first. A sequence control is formed of sequence and control. A sequence is defined as the specified order in which the execution of program will take place, while control refers to the process of managing and regulating the system, which in this case is our program. Hence, combining these two terms, a sequence control is defined as the control on sequence of execution of an operation in any programming language. Operation can be either primitive, that is defined by the language itself, or user defined, in which the user writes how the program will flow through. Also, sequence control is a subdivision of an advanced group called control structure, which also consists of data control along with sequence control. Sequence control can be divided into two parts: implicit sequencing and explicit sequencing. Implicit sequencing, as the name suggests, is defined by the language itself, and hence we also call it as the default sequencing. These are inbuilt in every language, and if you don't specify anything extra, the program will flow in the default manner. Also, you can modify the implicit sequence manually. Second, the explicit sequencing. Compared to implicit counterpart, explicit sequencing is defined by programmers, and they can be used to even modify the natural sequencing of the language. Many people have their own built-in library made by twitching the original sequencing. Both these sequence control together run a programming language. A sequence control may fall into one of these groups, and in this course we will be dealing with these expressions. First, an arithmetic expression is evaluated implicitly from left to right and in the order of precedence of operators. In expressions having parentheses, the expression inside the parenthesis is evaluated first. Other methods include expression tree. An expression tree is a tree with operators on the root and values at the leaf. While calculating the result of an expression tree, it follows top-down, left-to-right approach. For example, the expression tree for this equation will be this tree, with roots occupying the operators and variables are placed at the leaf. The language also implicitly solves arithmetic equations using prefix notation, in which the operator is placed before the operands, postfix notation, in which the operator is placed after the operands, and infix notation, in which the operator is placed between the operands. Among these three, the postfix notation is used by language extensively. Lastly, let's look at the explicit sequencing with arithmetic expression. In C++ language, operator overloading can be used to explicitly change the behavior of an operator, and for this to work, at least one of the operand must be user-defined class object. Another way to use explicit sequencing is manually changing the functions in header files and creating your own custom header files. In next lecture, we'll continue this topic for non-arithmetic expressions.